Hemos dicho age, mensaje de edad. O sea, no. Por favor, estas preguntas personales. My name is Ramón Pastor. I'm the president of the IAM3DHUB and the general manager of HP's 3D printing business in metal. The IAM3DHUB is basically the international additive manufacturing 3D hub focused on 3D printing technologies and basically adoption services. The IAM3DHUB really is a very unique formula where basically different companies from all this 3D ecosystem come together to collaborate to help customers to give a very unbiased, balanced view on really what is needed to go through the 3D adoption. Wow, that's many years ago, but really when I actually started working specifically in 3D was 10 years ago, where we invented the multi-jet fusion technology in HP, and I actually was part of the pioneering group that led this invention, put the business plan, and actually started this HP project that now is this 3D printing business in HP, both in plastics and metals. I think that innovation, and I'm really an innovation enthusiast, needs to be targeted to macro trends on the world. One book actually that talks about macro trends, talks about anthropology, that I love is Sapiens from Yuval Harari. Down. A common misconception is that 3D printing is only for prototyping. Today, the IAM3DHUB has around 15 companies that are actively participating on the hub from really all the spectrum of the ecosystem of additive manufacturing, from material providers like BSF, printer manufacturers like Renishaw, Massivit, HP, software like Materialize, post-processing like EMT, Abrust, so really a very good representation of many of the key companies on the whole spectrum. I encourage everyone that wants to meet the IAM3DHUB to come to Barcelona. We have here some very special infrastructure with showcasing many different technologies. So come and see us. I really invite you to join us and talk about your projects, about your aspirations, and obviously on the major trade shows like Formex. The sentence I would say is let's accelerate adoption.